What's up with the YouTube? Welcome to my first vlog. I'm Handro, where you're about to see me build, break, all kinds of shit. Dirt bikes, drift cars, you know, so stay tuned for future content. I'm currently waiting on my cousin. We about to go get this U-Haul trailer. About to go buy my old drift car. Plan is to go hit Mexico for a bit. Well, you don't really know that, but stay tuned for that.
Boy, what are you doing?
Here it is. Sold it about almost a year ago. Got it back. Looks almost the same. Little drift setup going on. Just got bapped, you know. It's crazy. I built this car almost in a month.
And fuck you.
Shit, I'm about to go. We about to go pull up to Mexico. You feel me? About to get some shit going. Got tires too. It's good. Let's get it. It's good. My nigga Richardo pulled up now. What's up with Richardo? So I got the car and trailer here now. My boy had to cut out, so we're using this truck. So we gotta get this motherfucker going. I gotta take the plates off and cut a hole here. I got the aftermarket tow. I don't want to use the stock one. I gotta wire up the lights, and you feel me, we should be out in Mexico, so it's good. Let's get it. Man, it's in there. Ah, bitch. So I can fit. Nah. Oh, fuck. Got this motherfucker hooked up. Had to rig the wiring. My neighbor had another tow hitch. Made it work. Now we outie. Come on. Oh, shit. Let's hit the road! Got adrenaline kicking in. Get it, here goes. Got your water. Oh fuck, am I forgetting anything? No, we good. Yeah. On the way to Mexico. I ain't been to that warehouse in dummy long. This is it, this is Mexico. Fucking big as fuck. They put this payment on about a year ago. I was the first one to put the tires down and everything. No one really knows about this. I don't tell them, but it's in the cuts. With the wall right there, I smacked that motherfucker with my old drift car. Told her that shit. Almost killed that motherfucker right there. Right, RJ? That nigga Renee over there. Let's get it. Let's unload this bitch and let's get it. Man, I ain't even drove yet. I got adrenaline kicking in. Haven't drove this shit. I feel like I'm in a race car every time I'm hitting those buttons. Start. Oh, hey RJ, handle. Get it wide, you know what I'm saying? About to get it wide in third gear. It's about 11 o'clock. Decided to strip the car. Kind of burnt the car already, made it hot. Kind of overdid it. And my boy needs a couple parts, so it's all good. He's the one that has my other old drift car, so it works out. You know, we on this workflow, got the Pacificos. Right. Look.
Yeah.
Hey, but stay tuned for this. This is gonna be the one. Old school drift car, full drift car, no smog, so we good. Ese Richardo, saludito.